The job market is being hacked. Your employer won't fire you, but they will automate 80% of your work. You've been told AI is coming for your salary. The real question is your specific skill set obsolete right now? We are the fifth dimension, and we move beyond fear. Today, we break down 3 major career sectors that will not be replaced, but fundamentally redefined by AI. The biggest misconception is the word replacement. Our 5D algorithm shows that AI doesn't fire the person, it automates the tasks.
That means your job title stays, but 80% of what you currently do will be instantly handled by an algorithm.
This isn't a threat, it's the greatest skill upgrade opportunity in a generation. This video is your survival kit for the next decade. The first and most immediate shift is in knowledge work. Think lawyers, financial analysts, coders, and researchers. The AI here is no longer an assistant, it's a hyper-efficient draftsman. It can read 1 million legal documents in a minute or write a boilerplate contract in seconds. So, what does the human analyst do? They evolve into the validator and the ethical gatekeeper. Your value shifts from doing the research to critiquing the algorithm's output, judging its ethical implications, and communicating the final, human-vetted insight to the client. The new analyst doesn't code, they govern the code. Next, let's talk about the creative industries. Designers, artists, musicians, marketers. The AI here is no longer a tool, it's an infinite idea generator. It can produce 1,000 logo variations, write 5 different ad copy headlines, or compose a unique soundtrack in seconds. So, what does the human artist do? They evolve into the visionary director. Your value shifts from generating concepts to curating the best, infusing them with human emotion, and guiding the AI to execute your precise artistic vision. The new artist doesn't paint, they conduct the symphony of creation. Finally, we address the jobs often deemed safe due to physical demand, service and physical work. Think nurses, manufacturing technicians, and customer service agents. The AI here is the automation engine. It will handle repetitive tasks like delivering supplies, manufacturing simple components, and basic customer triage. The human role doesn't vanish, it evolves into the system manager and empathy provider. Your value shifts to managing the robot fleet, training the AI to recognize nuances,
and providing high-touch human empathy that machines can never break here, especially in complex healthcare or personalized service.
The new service worker doesn't lift heavy boxes, they train the robots that do. The 3 shifts we just covered all point to the same conclusion: the job title doesn't matter, the skill set does. If you want to thrive, not just survive, in the 5th dimension economy, you need these 3 skills. Skill 1: AI prompt mastery. Forget learning complex coding languages. The new literacy is communication with the algorithm. Learning how to ask the AI the perfect question to get the precise result is the most valuable skill you can acquire by 2030. Skill 2: critical data verification. AI will generate mountains of information, but if you can't spot the subtle biases, errors, or ethical flaws in that output, you are a danger to your organization. Your mind must become the final ethical firewall. Skill 3: high-touch human empathy. In a world optimized for cold efficiency, the ability to genuinely connect, negotiate, mentor, and provide emotional support will be the rarest commodity.
AI can simulate emotion, but it cannot authentically feel it.
Mastering these 3 skills is your license to thrive in the automated future. It's how you become the conductor, not the orchestra. The data is unambiguous. AI is not your competitor, it is the most powerful tool ever invented. The anxiety you feel comes from trying to fight the inevitability of automation. The solution is to embrace the inevitability of evolution. Stop thinking in the 3rd dimension of replacement. Start evolving into the 5th dimension, where you leverage AI's speed to amplify your unique human value.